today I'm going to talk about the musical alphabet, the ascending, and the enharmonic. Those three are the names of the piano keys. So the first thing we need to verify, the white keys of the piano are named by the musical alphabet. So the only thing you need to know is the musical alphabet starts with the second white key in the midst of the three black keys. These are the three black keys. So the second white key in the midst of them will be A. So A, you see a ABC, A, B, C, D, E, F, G. So the musical alphabet runs from A to G. So yeah, it's repeated on the keyboard. So we come here A, B, C, D, E, F, G. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. That is for the musical alphabet on the piano. The next thing we're going to talk about the sharp. The sharp is the nearest key on the right. So if we start from C, the nearest key on the right of C is the black key. So this is C sharp. This is D. This is D sharp. E. This is E sharp. E sharp is the same as F. So F. This is F sharp. F sharp is the black key. G sharp is the black key. A sharp is the black key. And B sharp is the white key. So we have 5 black sharps and 2 white sharps. The 5 black sharps are C sharp, D sharp, F sharp, G sharp, and A sharp. And the 2 white sharps are E sharp and B sharp. So we have E sharp as F and B sharp as C. So we have 2 white sharps and 5 black sharps. Go to the flat. In the case of the flat, we start from this direction. So this is E. This is E, and the nearest key on the left. Flat is the nearest key on the left. So this is E. The nearest key on the left of E is a black key, so E flat is a black key. This is D. The nearest key on the left of D. D flat is the black key. This is C. C has a white flat. White flat is B. B have a black flat. A have a black flat. G have a black flat. And this is F. F has a white flat. So we have 5 black flats and 2 white flats. So the 5 blacks are flat are E flat, D flat, B flat, A flat, and G flat. E flat, D flat, B flat, A flat, and G flat. So we have 2 white flats. The 2 white flats are C flat and F flat. That's that. The next thing we're going to talk about enharmonic. Now, the enharmonic have a situation. The enharmonic is a single key with double names. Now, in the case of enharmonic, we have this is from the right. This is C sharp. And from the left, this is D flat. So C sharp and D flat is the same key. From the right, this is D sharp. From the left, this is E flat. So E flat and D sharp is the same key. From the right, this is F sharp. From the left, this is G flat. So F sharp and G flat is the same key. G sharp and A flat is the same key. G sharp and A flat is the same key. A sharp and B flat is the same key. So we have 5 black enharmonic. 5 black enharmonic. C sharp as D flat, D sharp as E flat, F sharp as G flat, G sharp as A flat, A sharp as B flat. Now, then we also have white enharmonic. The white enharmonic starts with E is the same as F flat. F is the same as B sharp. B is the same as C flat. C is the same as B sharp. So we have 4 white enharmonic. So the next thing I'm going to talk about, we're going to do kind of finger drill. This drill is actually intended to make your hands be able to move around the keys smoothly, and you're going to do the drill with both hands. And also this drill is also intended for you to know the keys. So in most cases, one of the form that is always used is from C to G. So we got 5 fingers, so we're going to apply all 5 fingers on every key. So it's going to be C, D, E, F, G. C, D, E, F, G. Now, one of the ways to do this exercise is to always keep in the back of your mind that the piano runs from left to right. So anything you want to do, we'll apply it from left to right. But then the concept of our hands. Our hands run from, this one runs from left to right, and this one runs from right to left. So what we're going to do is, we're going to, as we apply the exercise, we'll do some drills that start from the left, going to the right because of the flat, and some exercise that come from the right, going to the left because of the exercise. And what we're actually going to be doing that because we want you to know the keys of the piano. So we want you to know the keys of the piano. So we're going to start like this. Say C, D, E, F, G. Say G, F, E, D, C. C, D, E, F, G, G, F, E, D, C. Now I'm going to the next one, start from G. G, A, B, C, D. You're going to have D, C, B, A, G. Then we're going to come up like. Now, in this case, when we're dealing with the black keys, we call one side from the sharp perspective and call the other side from the flat perspective, because we are saying the keys have enharmonic name. So we're going to have C sharp, D sharp, F sharp, G sharp, and A sharp. From the left direction will be B flat, A flat, G flat, E flat, and D flat. So we're going to have C sharp from the right, for the right hand, C sharp, D sharp, F sharp, G sharp, and A sharp. From this direction, we're going to have B flat, A flat, G flat, E flat, and D flat. So we're going to strike that. Now we want you to know all. So we're going to have 7 different structures. The next structure we're going to start with like this. Now, so in this case, we're going to start with this as E flat. So say E flat, G flat, A flat, D flat, D flat. And then we're going to go this way, being called in the sharp. So it's going to be C sharp, A sharp, G sharp, F sharp, D sharp. We want you to know the keys. We want you to know all the keys of the piano. And we want you that we're going to know it from like the touch the key, they ain't got a ting. You want to know it. So this is that exercise we're going to do. The next one we're going to start like this. We're going to start with F sharp, F sharp, G sharp, A sharp, C sharp, D sharp. We're going to start with E flat, D flat, B flat, A flat, G flat. So next one we're going to start with A flat. We're going to have A flat, B flat, D flat, E flat, G flat. So we're gonna have F sharp, D sharp, C sharp, A sharp, G sharp. And the next one we're gonna have, this is gonna start with B flat. So say B flat, D flat, E flat, G flat, A flat. I'm gonna start with G sharp, F sharp, D sharp, C sharp, A sharp. So when any key you meet, you should have the ability to just know it. So this exercise is gonna help you do that. Now,